Hey everyone, Andy Sykes here, and as you can see from the title of this video, I have bought a body kit for the Alfa 156 GTA. And I've got to say, I don't know if I've made a mistake, so what I'm going to do now is take it out of the back and show you guys what it looks like. Now, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video on the 156 GTA on the channel, and those of you who are new to the channel might not know the story behind this. This is actually the UK's cheapest 156 GTA sports wagon, and it costs just £3,000. And after this beautiful paint job by Black Cap Custom Paint, the car looks absolutely stunning. And I've tried my best to avoid the salty UK British roads this winter to keep the car looking as good as new. But it is an old car and it's starting to show a few signs of rust. Nothing major, just got a little bit of bubbling on the rear arch here. Just a tiny little bubble, you can barely even see it on camera. And there's a few chips and scuffs here and there too, and to be honest, for that I like it even more. I'm much more eager to use this on a daily basis. Now, I might regret saying that though, because I've just bought something for this car which might make it worse to drive, and it might even make it worse to look at too, depending on your preference of cars. And it's in the boot. I've just picked it up, so let's take a look at what I've just bought. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I've put a link down below. You may have seen what I bought. I'm gonna have to get the key to open the boot. You may have already seen what I bought, and I had a little bit of a poll on my Instagram to say, hey, should I buy this for the car or not? Quite a few of you said yes, I should buy it. Quite a few of you said no, I shouldn't. And now I've got it, I'm umming and ahhing, but I'm gonna fit it anyway. And I'll just flip the camera around just to show you what it is. As you can see, it's a big box, just fits inside the car, from Maxton design. I actually bought this second-hand though, or second-hand new, because luckily enough I found this brand new on eBay from a guy who had one of these sports wagons and decided not to fit. So these Maxton kits cost about 680 quid brand new, and they come in different colors. They come in like a matte black, gloss black, and a carbon fiber finish. This one is the carbon fiber finish. I'm not sure if I like that look. It's a bit cheap looking, the carbon fiber effect on it. But it did only cost £400 for the kit, and that includes this rear diffuser. It comes with side skirts for the left and right hand side, and little side skirts for the back, and it also comes with a front splitter. So we've got the side skirts in this carbon fiber effect material. They're going to go along here like so. Close the door. So you have these side skirts on it. That might be the wrong way around. And then we've also got a front splitter, again in the carbon fiber effect. That's going to go on the front there, like so. It doesn't actually make the car much lower. It's actually really thin. You can see it's quite a narrow thing. Just makes it stick out a little bit at the front, you see. So I've just opened up one of the sides of the front splitter, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So it kind of looks like this on the car. Yeah, I'm not sure on the colour, but it looks like it'll be really easy to fit. Stick out just a tiny bit. Let's give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. Interesting. We'll see what that looks like. Don't know if you can imagine it. What I'll do is I will put up a screenshot of what a similar looking car looks like with it on. I might also change the colour of the wheels too, to like a champagne gold colour as well. Anyway, just a quick update on the channel, just to show you what I've been doing to the GTA. And yeah, let us know what you think about that kit in the comments below. Honest comments. If you think it's going to look crap, please tell me. But anyway, yeah, that's going to be the project for the next couple of weeks. Fitting this, see what it looks like, and getting it to Shedfest. If any of you guys are heading to Shedfest on 4th of May, and you see my car, please come over and say hello. It'll be awesome to meet you all. But yeah, that's the GTA, looking pretty smart. I'll also do an update on the GTV in a couple of days too. Yeah, lots have been going on with that. Nothing in terms of modifications, just fixing the thing. But yeah, there's the GTA looking pretty sick. Do you know what? Now I'm looking at it like this, I don't know if I want to fit that body kit. But you know what? Even if the body kit looks rubbish, I can always take it off, can't I? Anyway, thanks for watching and see you all soon. Goodbye.